Hello everybody, I'm super excited for joining me in this video tutorial, and we are going to be looking at converting the Roman numerals to Arabic numerals, or rather we are converting the Roman numbers to Arabic numbers. In our previous video, we are looking at the Roman numerals themselves, and we kind of looked at them in a bit of some detail. And so today we are going to be just looking at how are we able to convert the Roman numerals or the Roman symbols into the Arabic numerals. First and foremost, to get more info about the Roman numerals, you can check through our channel and be able to find the video which was literally all about the Roman numerals. So now we are looking at converting those Roman numerals to the Arabic numerals. So firstly, allow me to be able to define for us, if we talk about the Arabic numbers or numerals, what are we referring to? Now, the Arabic numbers, the Arabic numerals, this is a numeral system which is formed with digits from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the Arabic numeral system or form of numeration is the kind of number system which is made up of these digits which I have just been able to list right on the screen. Okay, now if we are converting from the Roman numeral system to the Arabic numeral number system, first and foremost, we have to be able to remember the basic Roman numeral symbols. If we are able to remember the basic Roman numeral symbols and their value, then we are going to be able to convert the Roman numbers, the Arabic numerals. So first and foremost, let's try to remember a few of the basic Roman numeral symbols. The first one is the I. The second one is the V. The third one is the X. Fourth one is the L. The fifth is the C. Then we have the D, and we have the last one being the M. What are their values? In as much as we've been able to remember the 7 basic Roman symbols, what are their values? I, the value of I is 1, the value of V is 5, the value of X is 10, the value of L is 50, the value of C is 100, the value of D is 500, and the value of M is 1000. So those are the basic Roman numerals and their values. Having remembered that, let's quickly go ahead and begin to convert. So when we look at the questions there, the main question says, write these Roman numbers to Arabic numbers. Write these Roman numbers to Arabic numbers. So here what we are seeing, these are the Roman numbers which are supposed to be written in Arabic numbers. This question can also read as convert these Roman numbers to the Arabic numbers. So when you talk about the word convert, to convert is literally just to change. So they are saying, can you change these? Can you change the Roman number system to the Arabic number system? So let's begin with our number 1. So number 1 says XXX. XXX. So XXX. So the first X represents 10 plus the second X represents another 10 plus the third X represents another 10. So if we say 10 plus 10 plus 10, that should be able to give us a 30. That is our answer. We go to number 2. Our number 2 says XC. XC. So XC, if we remember clearly, In our previous video, when we were looking at the Roman numeral, we looked at one of the 5 rules of the Roman numerals that we looked at was that if a Roman symbol which is smaller in value is on the left of a Roman symbol which is high in value, it means you should be able to subtract the value of the lower symbol from the value of the symbol with the larger value. So since X is on the left of C, and we know that C represents 100, X represents a 10, literally what we are looking at there is a situation where we have 100 take away 10, because X is on the left of the C. So 100 take away 10 should be able to give us 90, and that is our final answer. We go to question number 3. Our third question says you're supposed to convert LXI to Arabic numerals. So our L there represents 50 plus our X, which is a 10, plus our 1, our I, which is a 1. So we have to add these numbers together. 50 plus 10, 60, plus 1, which is 61. We go to our fourth question. Our fourth question says to convert CVIII into Arabic numerals. So we know our C is 100 plus V, which is a 5, plus I, which is 1, plus another 1, plus another 1, since we have 1, 2, 3 I's in that way. So 100 plus A plus 5, which is 105, plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, we should be able to bring us to 108. And that is the value there. And now let's look at, right, so now let's look at our final question, which is MD. Can you convert MD to Arabic numerals? MD to Arabic numerals. So when we look at the table that we had at the beginning, we remember if you look at our table there, we're able to see that the value of M is 1000 and that the value of D is 500. We know that M is 1000 plus D, which is a 500. 1000 plus 500 should give us 1500, and that is our answer. If you do that, you would have converted successfully. So converting Roman numerals all the way to Arabic numerals, it is something that is rather not difficult. You just have to remember the few principles that we looked at, and also you have to remember the basic Roman numeral symbols and their value. Once you do that, you'll be good to go. Thank you so much for watching.